Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn on and off the Windows feature in Windows 10 and 11. Go to search bar and type here turn off or on Windows service. Now you will see the option of turn Windows feature on or off. Now click on this option, turn Windows feature on or off, or you can press Window plus R button together and type here appwiz.cpl like this. Hit OK button. Steps will be same for all the users. Now click on this option, turn Windows feature on or off. Click on this option. Now you can see the option of these. So how to enable the any service if you want to make it. Now you will see more options here. If you want to enable the service Windows subsystem for Linux, click on this option and hit OK button here. Now after clicking on OK, you will get the option searching for required file, applying changes, and in some features you need to restart your system. Like you can see here, the pop-up is saying that restart now, or you can select don't start, but the after the restart this feature will work properly in your system. So hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.